This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Morello. Investor opportunity. This 3-half single-family home is ready for renovations and priced accordingly. Located in one of Boca Raton and number 8217's most desirable communities and number 8211, Boca Landings. Amenities include 2 pools, tennis courts, racquetball courts, basketball courts, playground, all within short distance to good schools. Property is located on a cul-de-sac, has a 1-car garage and roof is approximately 5 years old. HOA is $88 per month and Master Association requires 2 payments every 6 months of $455. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Morello at 954-684-1795.